Hello and welcome to CasaBento. You will become the king of popcorn with our Mr. Popcorn Maker. Pour 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of corn in the red bowl and cover with the transparent lid. Remember to remove Mr. Popcorn's hat. Put the bowl in the microwave on high for around 3 minutes. Once you've got your popcorn, put Mr. Popcorn's blue cap upside down and shake to remove the corn which hasn't exploded. Your popcorn is now ready to be enjoyed, sweet or savoury, whichever you prefer. Let's make a caramel sauce and pour it over the popcorn. Put the transparent lid back on and shake well. Discover our other recipes to flavour your popcorn. Enjoy with a movie at home. Goodbye!